Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Peppa Pig pancakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder for that perfect fluff. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's mix up the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the egg, milk, and oil until they are well combined. Next, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and actually help keep your pancakes light and fluffy. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so be careful. It's time to cook our delightful Peppa Pig pancakes. Place a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Once warm, lightly grease the surface with a tiny bit of oil or butter. For each pancake, pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. This ensures a perfectly fluffy pancake. Now for the most exciting part, decorating your Peppa Pig pancakes. Once cooked, arrange your pancakes on a plate. Use blueberries or chocolate chips for Peppa's eyes and a slice of strawberry or a raspberry for her snout. A small piece of cooked bacon can cleverly represent her curly tail. Get creative with your toppings. Drizzle with maple syrup, add some whipped cream, or sprinkle with powdered sugar. These fun and delicious pancakes are sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. Enjoy your Peppa Pig breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.